Good afternoon, everybody. It's NJTM Track Guy again. Today is June 15th, 2013. And I'm back at the World Trade Center for another update. It appears with the external completion of 1 and 4 World Trade Center, this is basically your perspective on how they're both going to look, with minor things that need to be removed. I'm just going to say now I've made more adjustments to the camera. I'm still messing around with the settings, and when I did my quick look from Hoboken, Newport, and Jersey City, I believe that a change that I made to the camera made my voice less audible. I don't think you guys could hear me very clearly. I'm not too sure, but I've made more adjustments. So just let me know how that is. So yes, again, we can see for 1 World Trade Center, the antenna spire crane has been removed, along with some of the temporary staircases. Not all of them are gone, but there are a few that are gone. If you look right here, the stairs with the yellow posts, those are temporary and will be removed. The staircases with the yellow posts right there, and there are some further down with blue posts that will be removed. But the ones like these with the railings, those are permanent and they will stay. As you can see right there, those are permanent staircases for maintenance. The communications rings are also full. All 3 rings are made. And from here on out, work is going to be done internally. Same goes for Tower 4. So we're going to walk around again and see what's going on. All right, let's go. Here's just a straight-on look at Tower 4. Again, also externally complete. And if you look closely, you can see 1 World Trade Center's reflection bouncing off of Tower 4. Alright, this is South End Avenue and Liberty Street. Here again is 1 and 4 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower and Tower 4, both externally complete. Check it out. Both towers look amazing. Tower 4 right now has a huge sun reflection bouncing off of it. I'm gonna have to move from this angle. Alright, the sun has moved a little. And, oh, look at this. We have some external cladding on Tower 3 now. That's cool to see. Looks like it's a mechanical floor, but that's progress. Oh, and there's also some glass on top of that. Glass and mechanical floor cladding on Tower 3, starting up. Very nice. The sun has moved, so here's Tower 4. And here's the Freedom Tower. Looks like the fins are starting to pop out now on the base, the glass fins. That'll be for lighting at night when it's complete. These towers are going to look amazing. Alright, so I guess this is pretty significant here for Tower 3. We have mechanical floor cladding installation and glass installation. That's amazing. It's really nice to see that. Here's Tower 4 again. And there's the Freedom Tower. It looks like the lobby glass is also being filled in too. If you look right there, that's the glass for the lobby. A lot of work's done here. So again, yeah, there's Tower 3. It's made a lot of progress. External cladding has started on it, but it's still on hold, unfortunately. So I really hope it starts up soon, because it'll be nice to see it rise too. And then 2 World Trade Center should follow shortly behind it. Alright, let's continue. There's the Vehicle Security and Screening Center. Again, that's mostly underground. Minor work is being seen above ground, but that's mostly underground. So there that is for now. It's 4 World Trade Center. 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. All are looking very sharp. Here's Tower 7. Again, that's long built, but they'll all be nice to look at. Alright, this is Albany Street and West Street. As you can see, that crane for the antenna spire that helped to build the antenna spire is gone now. There's only one left up there. a beautiful tower. Again, you can see Tower 3 from here too. Now getting external cladding work done. Let's go, there's a lot to see.